ChargerLab have just released this new USB-C cable tester. It has little LEDs there. Comes in this nice metal box. Some shielding. It has a CR2032 battery inside to power it on. There we go. So there it is. It's nice and compact. There are the LEDs and the pads. You can plug in a cable. Here's a mini wire. Looks like there's a problem with this connector. It's, yeah, cutting in and out. So I'll try another cable. Here's an anchor cable. That one's got a really solid connection. So you can get this on ChargerLab's website. It's the CT001.